Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, I'm James. This is Too Random. Today's video is going to be about the Hocking Hills area of Ohio. As y'all know, we live in New York now, but we're from the Buckeye State. So this is one of our favorite areas to hang out. There's actually three really cool places there. There's Old Man's Cave, there's Cedar Falls, and there's Ash Cave. We actually went to all of them, like always. It was amazing. The video ended up being way too long, so we're gonna have to slice it in two, give it to you guys in two parts so you can take it in instead of having a 40-minute video that nobody wants to watch. So today is gonna be the first part. I believe this is Devil's Bathtub and Old Man's Cave and Cedar Falls on the first part. I think that's what we get to today. We hope you guys like it. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button for us. If you like the channel and you like our stuff, hit that subscribe button. Those things are probably the best things you guys can do to help out the channel. We've been growing quite a bit and we really appreciate it. So we won't mess around. Let's just get right into the video.
How are you, sir? Not too bad. I just have a question, really. I don't want to steal. They got a couple maps over there. Do we have to go all the way around to be able to see the cave now? Or is there any way? I got a couple like 70-year-old people over here, and I don't think they can make the whole trek.
Well, the trek that you're doing is the easiest part, is the flat part, and it's a mile total. And no matter what, even in the past, you always have to do the hard part.
Right. Right. Yeah, I thought we used to go down over here, right?
Right. So the very quickest possible way without seeing the waterfalls or anything like that would be to go down those steps, and that'd be half a mile. But if you wanted to add in the other part, which is the upper falls, Devil's Bathtub, and all that, the flat part of the gorge, you would just walk the sidewalk and over east the upper falls waterfall.
Right.
And then that'd be about 3/4 of a mile.
Okay.
But yeah, so that's the quickest way down there.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Watercolor daydream lens. People say I'm in my head. It's like it's always summertime going on inside my mind, but happiness is not a crime. I'm in Wonderland. It's like a dream. Try to understand that I'm free. In my fantasy. So don't try to save me. Optimism isn't blind, and they can't take away what's mine. I feel like I am on cloud nine.
Gotcha. One more. Say giant pickle.
Leaving all the world behind.
Yes.
Way up here, I'm feeling fine. I'm in Wonderland. It's like a dream. Try to understand that I'm free.
Nothing in the background. Did you get me in the background? Oh, that's good. I like it. Oh my God. Wow! That's awesome. Oh, you know I'm going in. I'm with you. Oh, you know I'm going in. I can't not go in. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that shit. That's freaking awesome. We need to get as many of us as we can lined up in the front. Get somebody to take a picture of us. All right, this is one scary looking little piece of apparatus here. It's like not a tent. Be careful, be careful. Pretty cool. I got nothing. You're on film. Oh, you are on camera. Yeah, do. Oh, let me see it. Let me see it. How's it go? How's it? Oh, there it is. Nice. I like it. If you fall in, you're going to be wet. That's what it's going to be. Oh, there it goes. Just so you know, straight to YouTube. When you fall, I'm posting it. Do it, man. Come on. Well, I don't think he really tried. Oh man, oh, you're going to YouTube too. Yeah, we are. I like it. Excuse me, I'm taking a shortcut.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape.
Come here, this is the cave.
To the great unknown.
Be careful. You may or may not see us on the other side. Hello! I see ya. We're in the cave! That's it, buddy. This is, you're looking at it right here. This is old man's cave right here.
Really?
Yeah, this is where we're at. Where you're looking at it. Right here around you. Look around you. On the bottom, down here, this is it. Go ahead. I'll go with you.
I don't know where I am. I
You
don't
know I'll
know
go.
where you
I don't
take
care.
me. I don't know where
I'm
you
all about to
take
keep
me.
out danger.
I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not above it. Let me be myself.
You're taking a picture of me filming you.
Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
Careful over there.
Let me be
Holy shit, this is where we're at.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to
It's
you.
the cave! Dun dun dun!
This is where the old man used to live.
Let me be myself. I'm not Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
You're supposed to tell me when it's somebody I know, not somebody I don't know. The hell? You guys are horrible.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah,
Alright everybody, thanks for watching the video, we really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is just the first half, so stay tuned. Next Monday, we post every Monday. Next Monday, the video will be the second half of our little Ohio adventure, the wrap up and the ending. And it was awesome. We love this area. It's one of our favorite areas to go to. And I suggest if you're anywhere in this area that you go here and check it out. It's definitely worth it. Thank you so much. If you want to hit that bell notification, get the notifications turned on. That way when we post this video next week, you can see the second half of our adventure. Thanks a lot, guys. We really appreciate it. We love you. Thanks for the support. Too Random